really enjoyed drawing this piece, as I love drawing cats, which is something I don't get to do very often. Don't get me wrong, I love drawing dogs as well, but cats will always have a special place in my heart. This portrait was purchased as a memorial portrait of this beautiful tortoiseshell cat who passed away recently. I actually used 2 reference photos to create this piece, which made it a little challenging, but I absolutely love how it turned out. Building up the shadows and bringing out the highlights are my favorite parts of drawing.